In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily find and share your Calendly meeting link. Calendly is a valuable tool for scheduling meetings without the hassle of email back and forth. Whether you're a professional seeking to streamline your appointment setting or just getting started, this guide will walk you through accessing and sharing your meeting links with ease. Let's start by heading to the Calendly homepage. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be greeted by your personal dashboard. This dashboard is the command center for all your scheduling activities, providing you a clear overview of any upcoming and past meetings. It's designed to help you manage your time efficiently right from the start. Next, you should see a list of your scheduled meetings. These might be meetings you've organized or ones others have booked with you through your Calendly link. Alongside each meeting summary, there's a handy feature, a button labeled Copy Link. This button is your key to sharing your unique meeting link with others. When you spot the Copy Link button, go ahead and give it a click. With just one click, Calendly will automatically copy the meeting link to your clipboard. This action is both quick and seamless, ensuring you have the link ready without having to navigate away or open another window. Now that you've got your link copied, you're set to share it. You might want to send it through an email, drop it in a chat, include it in a text message, or even post it in a professional workspace. The versatility of sharing your Calendly link cannot be overstated. It's an essential tool for maintaining clear communication and ensuring that others can effortlessly book time with you. In summary, finding and sharing your Calendly link is a straightforward process that enhances your capability to efficiently manage your professional or personal appointments. By utilizing the simple interface of your Calendly homepage and the convenient Copy Link feature, you can be confident that sharing your schedule is easier than ever. Send the link out via any platform you choose and watch how it helps reduce the complexities of coordinating meetings. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've not only learned how to locate your Calendly link, but also how to distribute it effectively. This process ensures your calendar remains organized, and those you're meeting with have all the information they need at their fingertips. Happy scheduling, and thanks for watching.